Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers on the 2012 Toyota Tundra. This is an awesome looking set. Charcoal HD 1000 for the insert, black HD 1000 for the trim. Super durable fabrics that are going to be waterproof and super durable. It's a 1000 denier fabric. Great for the outdoors or whatever you throw at this. It's going to be an awesome set. Let's check this out. All right, so let's check out these super durable fabrics. Again, HD 1000, heavy duty 1000 fabrics. This is the charcoal as the insert right here, and then black for the trim. So nice dark tones inside this vehicle. There was a lot of black and gray inside this Tundra already, so it's nice to match that up. Again, this is just a really durable fabric. Not a lot of stretch to this, so it's a little tougher to install. Not bad though, because really the most important thing that you want is durability when it comes to seat covers. And so this is great to have the durability here on this HD 1000 fabric, and it matched up nice again inside this vehicle with blacks and grays. Now my favorite custom option that we did inside this vehicle was the American flag headrest logos right here. You can see that's a laser engraved American flag onto a faux leather patch that's stitched onto the headrest. So just a really cool patch inside here. We have that on the front and rear, so it really matched up, and we did the seat covers front and rear, and that's really the best way to make things look nice for the front and back, all matched up inside here, and love how that pops out right here. The next custom option we did on this set were the MOLLE pockets. These are the MOLLE gun pockets for pistol storage on the inside. You can open this up, drop your pistols and gear on the inside there, but then it has MOLLE webbing on the outside, so you can connect additional carriers and gear to the outside on these MOLLE loops. Really cool. We did that on the driver and passenger sides. So MOLLE gun pockets, consider those as you're building up your order. Here's this console lid right here. You can see how this is still going to fold and function just how it should. There's a cover for that. It's in that black HD 1000 fabric, super durable. Your right arm rests here a lot on that leather seat. These original seats were leather, and you can wear even a hole or just like a big wear spot on that leather. So it's good to have that protected with a good durable fabric, and all that trims out nice when you can do a console lid cover on there as well. Now we're on the rear seats. This rear seat is a 60/40 rear seat. So it's larger section over here, smaller section right here. And you can see it's matching as with the front seats. That's the best way to do it. Always match the front covers with the rear covers to make everything look symmetrical in the vehicle. And matching headrest logos also. And just a great durable rear seat. That way when the kids and the dogs are back here, things are gonna be covered and looking good. I'm gonna fold this 40 backrest down a little bit so you can see right here, there's full coverage back here. So if you do happen to have this down and you got the dirt or the dog hair back here, things are gonna be easy to clean and wipe off on the back side here. Here's this center section right here. You see this has a center armrest cup holder that folds out, and that's still gonna be accessible. So you can, the kids back here can still pop their cups and drinks back there, and that folds back up and in. That's in that HD 1000 black fabric. Looks great back there. You can see that all the cutouts will be made so that way your seat belts will still be accessible to be able to clip in your seat belts here. Also, any place where there's going to be child seat attachment bars, there will be cutouts for that as well. So safety and functionality definitely kept in mind in the design of these covers, and just looks great, but also functions great for safety. So on the back side, this customer chose to do the rear fabric pockets. That's just a large pocket back here for you to put your gear on the back side right there. Now, it is an option to do the special ops package. That includes a lot more pockets for gun and bow storage, rifle storage back here. So check that out if you want to do more pockets for storage on the back side. But this is another option just to do a simple map pocket on the back. Another great feature of these covers is that they are waterproof. So we're gonna check that out here. You can just see how the water beads down on them like that, and then you can just wipe it up and keep things looking nice and clean. Thanks so much for watching. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, you need to jump over to coversandcamo.com. Again, we really specialize in the trucks and UTVs, but if you have another vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, just give us a call, shoot us a text. We're happy to help. Again, see more at Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers.